So if I could just sum it up in 2 words, visual branding is going to be the utmost important thing when creating a social media platform that is attractive to others. You want a style that is unique to you. For example, I follow quite a few different artists who, when I'm scrolling through the feed, I can tell that's their picture before reading their caption, if that makes sense. So those artists are creating a visual brand for themselves. Consistency and keeping up with it. They always say post once a day, at least post once a day. Focus on the right times of posting, and for your demographic and location, that's different for everyone. But there's apps that show you insights for that kind of stuff as well. I feel like the most common denominator of challenges with social media is people are always complaining about the algorithm. And my response to that is stop focusing so much on fighting an algorithm, because that's what you're putting into the universe. So you're constantly just going to have this upbeat battle of this algorithm, and just do you and focus on what you want to market and how you want to market yourself. If you love blondes and if that is your thing, post a ton of awesome blondes, and that's what's going to come and sit in your chair. If you love vivid hair color, post unicorn hair all the time, and then that is the reach that you're going to get. What I would say to you is honestly, never give up on self-growth. And so when I say never give up on self-growth, I'm usually talking about do some research on the law of attraction and really try to fully embrace it and practice it. I've always done vision boards. Like even at my lowest point, I would do a vision board, and it would be and when I first started, it would just be like month goals, because looking to the future was just way too anxiety driven for me. So it would be 1 month, 5 month, and 12 month would be my vision board. Now my vision board is 5, 10, 15, because I know that by putting what I want out into the universe, I will be able to achieve it and get it, no matter how far out it is. To also live your greatest life, you must become a leader within yourself. And so that's why I always say don't ever give up on self-growth, and don't ever stop working on yourself.